Morning students. In the previous class we have studied about the fractions and the comparison of two fractions and the comparison between the like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, then simplest form. Okay, the simplest form for fractions. Okay, and today your addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, addition and subtraction of fractions. First take an example like fractions. Here the like, what is like, then a like fraction, the same, the fraction with the same denominators. Here 1 by 2 plus of 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and plus of 3 by 2. Then which is greater fraction? The fraction with, when the same denominator, fraction with the same denominator, then the greater numerator of the fraction is a greater fraction. Okay, 1 by 2 plus of 3 by 2. Okay, here then 2 and 2, the denominator of first fraction and denominator of second fraction are same. Here 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, then these two are the like fraction. Addition of a like fraction. Here take an LCM of 2. The 2 and 2, directly write 2 as a LCM. Okay, then 3 plus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. It means answer is 2. Okay, when the denominators are same, then directly the sum of the numerators, sum of the numerator is 1 plus 3 is 4 by 2. Then keep the denominator as the same. Okay, 1 plus 3 by 2. 1 plus 3 by 2, 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. Okay, take another example. 5 by 4 plus of 9 by 4. 9 by 4. Okay, 5 by 4 and plus of 9 by 4. Here then these two are the like terms having the same denominators. Then directly write the 4 as a LCM. The 4 as a LCM. Okay, then 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9. The 5 plus 9 is 14 by 4. Then the write in the simplest form. Here the 2 2s are 2 7s are. The answer is 7 by 2. Now yaವಾಗ 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Iveeradu like fraction. Now the denominators ಏನದಾವ? Then 2 and 2. And directly then LCM of the 2 is 2. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 3 by 9 plus 1 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Then denominator of all the fractions are 9. And directly write the 9 is a denominator. Okay, then adding the numerator 1 plus 4, 3 plus 1 plus 4. The 3 plus 1 for 4 is 8 by 9 is the answer. ಅವಾಗ ನಂದು ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವು, ಅದನ್ನೇ ನೀನು ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಡಿಷನ್, ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, then next one. Okay, with the sum of like fractions. The next one is a sum of the subtraction. So subtraction of a like fractions. Here 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here the same denominator, directly write 2 and 3 minus 1. Here the 2 by 2 is, answer is 1. Okay. Same denominator ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ 15 denominator LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ LCM ಎರಡದ LCM ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎರಡೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The next 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 4. Then 4 by 9 minus 3 by 9. 4 by 9 minus 3 by 9. Again the like fraction. Then write a denominator. Okay, 9 is a denominator. Then 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1 by 9. Okay. The next 9 by 2 minus 11 by 2. 9 by 2 minus 11 by 2. Okay. Here the denominator is 2. And the same denominator the step ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Denominator direct ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Next 9 minus 2. Here the 9 minus 11 is minus 2 by 2. Minus 2 by 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. Here the answer is minus. Here the sum of the positive and the negative integer is, then here the sign of bigger value is negative. The 11 minus 9 is 2. The sign of bigger value is a negative. Negative 2 by 2, it means negative 1. Okay. The next, the sum of two unlike terms having this fraction with a different denominators. Here 3 by 2 plus of 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then these two are having a different denominator. These two are unlike fractions. Here unlike fractions. Then first take LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Here 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here. Then first here the LCM of the denominator. Again ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ first same denominators ಇದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಐತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? Here the LCM of 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay? 6. It means here the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Okay? Here 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Write equivalent fraction with the same denominator. Here, sorry, write the equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction of the denominator is 6. The denominator is 6. That is 3 by 2. The equivalent fraction bari. Adra the denominator irbeku 6 irbeku. Okay. Here, then how to get a 6? How to get 6? From multiply 3. Okay. Here multiply by 3. Here, then how to, then here multiply, then 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Then the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fraction, it means then both multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number, same value. Here, then how to get a 6 from 2? When we multiply the 3, when we multiply 2 by 3, when we multiply 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, we get a 6. Then 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. Then equivalent fraction of 3 by 2. Then equivalent fraction means then multiply the numerator and denominator by the same value. Here the denominator multiply by 3 and the numerator multiply by 3. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 is 9. The equivalent fraction of 3 by 2 is 9 by 6. Then here 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Then equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. The denominator is 6. equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 and the denominator is 6. Here 3. Now how to get a 6 from 3? The 3 multiplied by 2, 3 2s are 6. Here the equivalent fraction multiplied by 2. The equivalent fraction multiply the fraction with the multiply the numerator and denominator of the fraction with the same value, same number. Here multiply the 3 by 2 into 6. Okay. Then 1 into 2 is 2. Here then the 9 plus 9 by 6 plus here the equivalent fraction of 3 by 2 is a 9 by 6 plus here the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3 is 2 by 6. 2 by 6. Okay. Here the same denominators. Here write 6 is a denominator. Here 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11 by 6. Then this is one method. Okay. Here first write LCM of these two. LCM of 2 and 3 is a 6. And write the equivalent fraction of first fraction and the equivalent fraction of a second fraction. Here the denominator is 6. When we get then how to get a 6 from 2, then 2 multiplied by 3 is a 6. Here 3 multiplied by 6 is 2 is 6. Okay. Here the equivalent fraction means both numerator and denominator is multiplied by the same value. Okay. Here the 3 and a 2. Okay. Here 3 into 3. Okay. Then cross multiply. 3 into 3 is another method. 3 into 3 is 9 by 2. 9 by 2. Here 2 into 1 is 2. 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay. 9 plus 1. Here the another method. Here 3 by 2 plus of 1 by 3. Plus of 1 by 3. Here the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Then here, then multiplied by 3. Then how to get a 6 multiplied by from 2? How to get a 6 from 2? When we multiply 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Here 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6 here. 2 3s are 6 and 3 2s are 6. And multiply these two. 3 into 3 is a 9 and 2 into 1 is a 2. 9 plus 1 is 2 is 11. 11 by 6 is the answer. Okay. Then first method, write equivalent fractions of two fractions. Equivalent fraction of two fractions, then add it. Then another method, here they take LCM of 2 and 3. They take LCM of the denominators and multiply then 2 multiplied by 3 is a t. How to get the denominator multiplied by the denominator of the first fraction. Okay. Then how to get a LCM? How to get a LCM from a denominator? How to get LCM from the denominator? When we multiply the numerator, here 2 into 3 is a 6. 3 into 2 is a 6. Okay. We take one more example. The subtraction of an unlike fraction. Okay. Here 4 by 3 minus 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Okay. Then here 3 and a 9. 3 and 9. Okay. Then first multiply, or here 9 and a 3. 9 and a 3. First we then multiply, take LCM of 3 and 9. 3 and 9, or write the equivalent fractions of 4 by 3 and 2 by 9. Here the LCM is 3 and 9. 3 and 9. 3 1s are 3 3s are. 3 1s are 3 1s are. It means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 is a LCM. 9 is a LCM. Okay. Then 9 is a LCM here. 9, 3. First method. Here 9 is a LCM. Okay. Here the equivalent LCM is 9. Here 4 by 3. 4 by 3. Here the right equivalent fraction of 4 by 3 with the denominator is 9. With the denominator is 9. Here then how to get a 9 from 3? When we multiply the 3 into 3, then I get a 9. Then the equivalent fractions to multiply the numerator and the denominator by same number here into 3. 4 3s are 1. Okay, 12 by 9. Next one. Here 2 by 9. 2 by 9, the equivalent fraction. Here the denominator is the LCM of the 3 and 9 are 9. Here 2. 2 ones are 9 ones are 9 and 2 ones are 2. 2 by 9 and here 2 by 9. 9 ones are 9 into 2 ones are 2. Here the 12 by 9 minus of 2 by 9. Here the same denominators. It means 9. 12 minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 by 9. 10 by 9. Okay, another method 4 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Here the LCM is 9 and 3. 9 and 3 LCM is 9. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 and 9 ones are 9. Here the multiplication. 9 ones are 9. It means 3 4s are 12 minus 2 ones are 2 is 10 by 9. 10 by 9. Okay. The next. Here the next method, another method. Here the subtraction. Subtraction of a fraction. Let's take one more example. Okay. Here 4 by 3 plus of 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Okay. Then first way, denominators. We go here first 4 by 3 and plus 2 by 4. When madam first iವೆರಡರದನ್ನ same denominators ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು same denominators. ಈಗ same denominators ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 3 and 4 ಐತಿ. 3 and 4. Okay. ಎರಡರದ್ದು LCM ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Subtraction ಮಾಡಿ 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Then 4 plus 4 by 3, 2 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Here the LCM of 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. The LCM of 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Here the 2. 2 ones are 5. Okay, here the 3 and 5 are the prime numbers. 3 and 5 are the prime number. The 4 is a composite number. Okay. Then here 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 16. Okay. Or 5 3s are 15. 15 4s are 60. The LCM of these three denominators here, the LCM is here 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. The LCM is 60. Okay. Here 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus of 2 by 4 minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5. Here the LCM is a 60. LCM is 60. How to get a 60 from 3? When we multiply 3, 20s are 3 20s are simple 3 ಇದು 60 60 divided by 2 sorry 3 LCM na first denominator second denominator third denominator ಇಂದ divide ಮಾಡಿ here 3 20 is a 60 write the quotient here the top of the numerator multiply the numerator by the quotient okay multiply the numerator by the quotient here the 20 okay the next one next denominator is 4 then again divide the 60 by 4 divide the 60 by 4 here 4 ones are 4 2 4 5s are 20 here the quotient is 15 here the denominator is 4 and the denominator is 4 the quotient is 15 multiply the quotient okay to numerator next one 5 divided by 60 first ನೋಡಿ 3 divided by 60 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 20 ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿ 4 divided by 60 ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು 15 ಬಂತು ಅದನ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೆದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 5 divided by 5 ones are 5 1 5 2s are ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು into 1 okay ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ first LCM of 3 LCM of the denominator 3 4 5 the LCM of 3 4 5 is 60 okay 3 2 2s are 2 1s are 3 1s are 5 1s are okay here next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು then divide the LCM by the denominators divide the LCM by the denominator here the 3 divided by 60 3 divided by 60 is 20 then multiply the 20 multiply the numerator by the 20 next 4 divided by 60 the 4 divided by 60 is a 15 then multiply the numerator by the quotient is a 15 next 5 divided here the denominator here the LCM then divide the LCM by the denominator of the fraction 5 12s are 60 okay then the quotient write the quotient then the top of the numerator here the numerator multiplied by the quotient okay next 2 4s are 8 24s are 80 24s are 80 here as it is plus 15 2s are is 30 next 12 ones are 12 ones are 12 okay then first then add a same here plus 80 and plus 30 plus 80 plus 30 110 minus 12 110 minus 12 divided by here 110 minus 12 is 98 by 60 98 by 60 here the right and simplest form 2 4 okay 9 ones here 9 plus 8 is 17 okay here 3 3s are 4 2s are 8 okay 2 then 2 30s are 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 49 by 30 the 49 by 30 is the answer of this question okay then solve the next one we have taken another example here 3 by 7 minus 4 by 3 plus 2 by 5 okay minus 1 by 2 okay then first step is to take LCM of all the denominators here 7 3 5 2 now all the 7 3 5 2 are the prime numbers they are directly write multiply okay 5 2s are 10 here 7, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 10. Here the all are prime numbers. 10 3s are 30, and 37s are 210 is LCM. Here 7 3s are 21, 21 5s are 105, 105 into 2 is 210. Here LCM 7 1s are 3 1s are 5 1s are. Next here 7 1s are 3 as it is 5 is 280, and 3 1 1 5 2, and 5 1 1 1 2, and 2 1 1 1 1. Okay, then all are the prime numbers. When the prime numbers, then the LCM of the prime number is, then the multiply the all the denominators. Multiply the all the denominator. The 7 3s are 21, 21 2s are 110, 21 5s are 21 5s are 105, 105 2s are 210, 210 of the LCM. Here the LCM is 210. Okay. Next, here the first is LCM is 210. First write 3 by 7 minus of 4 by 3 plus of 2 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Okay. Here the LCM. The LCM of the denominator is 210. Okay. The second step is then divide the LCM by the denominators. Here the 7, 210 divided by 7. 210 divided by the 7. 7 3s are 21. It means 7 30s are 210. Okay. It means the quotient. Multiply the numerator by the quotient 30. Okay. Next one is the denominator. Next denominator is 3. First 7 amel 3. 3 7s are 21. It means 370s are 370. 370s are 210. It means 70. Okay. Next one. Next denominator is 5. Next denominator is 5. Here the divide the 210. To divide the LCM by the 5. 5 4s are 20. Here the 10. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. Here the quotient. When we divide the LCM by 5, the quotient is 42. Then multiply the numerator by the quotient 42. Next one. Next denominator is 2. 2 1s are 2. 0. Okay. Next one 0. Then here 0. Here the divisor. Here the remainder is lesser than the divisor, and take a 0. Then 2 5s are 10. So 105 into 2. It means 105. Okay. Then divide the LCM. Divide the LCM by the denominator. All the denominator. Here 7 3s are 21. 3 7s are 21. 5 42s are 210. 2 105s are 210. Okay. Next 7 3. 3 3s are. Multiply the numerator by the quotients. 3 3s are 9. It means 90. As it is minus 4 7s are 28. It means 74s are 280. Then plus. Then sign is like positive. Next 42 2s are. 42 2s are 84. 42 2s are 84. The next minus. Then 105. 105. Here 3 30s are 90. As it is minus 4 70s are 280. And 2 42s are 84. And as it is minus 105 into 1 is 105. Okay. here 90 plus what 84. Here the positive signs, the positive 90 and positive 84, and negative 280 and a negative 105 divided by 210. Divided by 210. Here 90 plus 84, 176. Okay, 90 plus 174. 90 plus 84 is 174. 174. Here the sum of a negative integer is a negative. Sum of a two negative integers. The sum of a two negative integer is negative, means 280 and 105. Here the 200 and 300, 385. 385 divided by 2 and 385. Here 280, 380 plus 5 is 85. The sum of the negative integer is a negative. 174 minus 385. Here minus 280. 174, 5, 1 and 8, 7, 1 and a 3 minus 1 is 2. Here the sign, the sum of negative and a positive integer when the operation is a subtraction, the sign of the answer is the sign of the bigger value is a negative 2 by 10, and this is answer. Okay, this is simplest form 210 and 21334. Okay, 210 by 2 minus 211 by 210.